Are you tired of the daily shaving routine? Curious about going smooth, the natural way? Welcome to MTH Health, your trusted space for clean, confident, eco-conscious self-care. In today's video, we'll explore Brazilian waxing styles for you. We'll help you find the best fit for your body and lifestyle. Plus, we'll keep things natural and eco-friendly.
Let's get started.
So, what is a Brazilian wax? It's a hair removal technique that removes hair all over. But there are different coverage levels. Some styles leave a little hair, others remove it all. Many misconceptions exist, like waxing always hurting. When done right with natural wax, it's safe and effective. Using plant-based waxes supports skin health and the environment. Now let's break down popular Brazilian waxing styles. First is the classic Brazilian. This removes most hair, leaving a small triangle in front. It's clean, but not completely bare. Next is the Hollywood wax. This removes everything, front, back, and sides. It's perfect for a smooth look, needing zero maintenance. Then there's the landing strip. This style removes all hair except for a narrow strip in front. It's stylish and minimal, clean yet expressive. You can even create custom styles for your preference. Choosing the right style is all about you. Consider your daily lifestyle. Do you wear tight clothes? Go to the gym? These factors help guide your choice. Also, think about your comfort level and upkeep you prefer. Talk to your esthetician. Be clear about what style you want. Ask if they use eco-friendly, non-toxic products. Some salons offer sugaring, a natural hair removal alternative. It's gentler on skin and better for the planet. Remember, your body, your choice. Reflect your comfort and values. After your wax, give your skincare. Use natural soothing oils like aloe vera or tea tree oil. Avoid hot showers and tight clothes for 24 hours. Exfoliate gently after a few days to prevent ingrown hairs. Choose biodegradable scrubs made from salt or sugar. Let hair grow out slightly between appointments. Always keep your skin moistured with fragrance-free creams. If unsure, ask your esthetician for personalized care tips. Whether you choose classic, Hollywood, or custom style, Brazilian waxing empowers you. It's about feeling fresh, confident, and in control. When done with eco-friendly methods, it's a win for the environment. If this guide helped you, hit the like button. Subscribe for more natural beauty and wellness tips. Comment below, what's your favorite waxing style or questions? Thanks for watching, stay smooth, stay natural.